Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages recipe for the beer battered onion rings. Let's go. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food in the building once again. If you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. On the menu today, beer battered onion rings. All gas, no brakes, we going in. These are the ingredients necessary for the beer battered onion rings. This is a regular sweet onion. The first thing you want to do is cut the ends off. Now that we peeled off our onion and cut off the first layer, what you want to do is to cut them in maybe 1/4 of an inch thick rings. Now that we got our rings cut into 1/4 size slices, we want to submerge them in the water. It's got a little bit of salt in there. What that's going to do is draw out some of that starch and some of that water out of the onion ring. One good sized sweet onion will probably make about 3 servings of onion rings. Alright, we want to place our onion rings that's submerged in ice water in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. While the rings are in the refrigerator chilling, we're going to go ahead and whip up this batter. We already have 1 cup of flour in here. I got a little bit more if needed. We're going to go ahead and season. We're going to start with a little salt. A little cayenne pepper for a little spice. Some garlic powder. Pepper, and I use a little bit of W sauce, just a tad. Now we want to take them out and dredge them with some flour. This is just plain all-purpose gold medal flour. It's some of the best you can buy. Now that we got our onion rings floured up, we're going to place them back in the refrigerator for about 10 more minutes. Okay, we got our cooking oil heated up to 350 degrees. We got our onion rings out of the refrigerator. We got our batter whipped up to the consistency that we were looking for. We're looking for something similar to pancake batter. Just take a few rings, dip them in the batter. And place them in the oil. We're gonna let them cook up till they're nice and golden brown. As you can tell, even the broken one, it's locked together. Your boy got that whip game on the low. A lot of these onions are different sizes. You just have to watch their cook time, that's all. It's real simple. Okay, these rings are done. Nice and golden brown. Look how golden these bad boys look. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food Beer Battered Onion Rings. Alright, me and my cousin enjoying these. I'm gonna grab one. Right to yours. Take time. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this beer battered onion recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality kitchen equipment? Use the links that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make the purchase. We appreciate it. I appreciate you hanging out with Uncle Daddy until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more soul food tutorials, do yourself a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Uncle Daddy here saying eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, peace.